Current is built around a digital checking account with early direct deposit, while FloatMe is primarily a cash advance app. That difference makes this comparison less about which app is faster and more about how each one gets money into your hands. By the end of this video, you'll know which service is more likely to help you access money earlier and which one fits your financial needs better. If you're talking about receiving your paycheck before your scheduled payday, Current is the better choice because early direct deposit is part of its banking experience. If you need money before your paycheck arrives, FloatMe is designed to provide eligible users with cash advances instead. Start with how Current works. You open a checking account, set up direct deposit with your employer, and if your payroll information reaches Current early, your paycheck can become available before the official payday. The exact timing depends on when your employer submits payroll and when the payment information is received, so no bank can guarantee the same early deposit every pay period. FloatMe works differently. Instead of moving your paycheck forward, it offers eligible users access to a cash advance that is repaid later. That means the money doesn't come from your employer paying you early. It comes from the app advancing funds based on its eligibility review. If you don't qualify, you won't receive an advance, so it's not a replacement for early direct deposit. Another difference is what happens after the money arrives. Current functions as your everyday bank account, making it suitable for receiving paychecks, paying bills, and handling daily spending. If you're looking for a primary banking solution, that's where it has the advantage. FloatMe is better viewed as a backup tool. If an unexpected expense appears before payday, the app may help bridge the gap without requiring you to use a traditional payday loan. Many users keep apps like this for emergencies rather than everyday banking. The better option depends on your situation. If your employer offers direct deposit and your goal is getting paid as early as possible, Current is the stronger choice. If your paycheck schedule can't change and you occasionally need extra cash before payday, FloatMe may be more useful. Here's the quick summary. Current is designed to help eligible users receive paychecks earlier through direct deposit. FloatMe is designed to help eligible users access a cash advance before payday. Choose the one that matches how you actually need money to arrive. Before signing up, review each app's current eligibility requirements, transfer options, and account terms, so you know exactly how the service works. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward financial app comparisons.